Welcome, welcome, welcome. I know we're all excited about the Canon R5. 8K. We got 8K video. AF. I don't even know what I'm gonna use that for. 8K kind of sounds like a gun. Guns, cannons, red logo, the color of blood. I knew this company was out for blood. I'm not a DJ. All I got is this little tiny keyboard. I'm gonna try to do it. Canon R5, RF up the deep end. Sony users and they off for the weekend. Thinking about that 8K, no crop, want a Canon dead. But these specs are so hot. Wedding photography, DJ services, I'll drive the limo. I'll serve the bar. You need an MC? Best man, maid of honor? I got you. Okay, I remember Skrillex. Scary monsters and R5s. Ooh, I have no idea what I just have bullet points for all these songs. Fix it in post, right? Just fix it in post. That's a song now. Just fix it in post. 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 You know when a DJ does like a huge build to like an incredible drop and then they go into something completely different? It's gonna be right now. Huh? Let's hope the R5 doesn't drop like that. Dirty drop. Brown room. Like the time that they told us it was gonna be at WTI, when we got there and the R5 was in this glass case. And we couldn't touch it or see it, and we think it was just a 3D printed version. And there's a security guard there, and he knew nothing about it, and he told us to stop asking. That would have been the worst job. Can you stand by the most popular camera that's existed in the past 10 years and not know anything about it? Just check out these visuals that I bought on Fiverr this morning. It's my tempo button. Here we go. This is shout out to my brother, DJ Hansel, who I completely ripped off. Here we go. Whoop, DJ Hansel.
R5 in my dreams. R5 in my dreams. R5 in my dreams. Now at Krispy Kreme.
This is as close as I can get to Harvest Moon without getting a copyright strike on YouTube. All these songs are from my music bed subscription. For sure not supposed to use them like this. Disgraceful to the artists. Oh, the Canon R5. Isn't it lovely? The body is stabilized. Their logo is bloody. Oh, the Canon R5, isn't it lovely? The body is stabilized. Their logo is bloody. I don't have a track between these two, so this is my fade to gray button. Whenever you can't mix it, you just fade it to the gray. I'm not a good I probably qualified to do a wedding though. The song is about having stabilization in both the body and the lens. Here we go. Got that double ibis in the body and the lens, stable footage. Now you can be on CNN. As a contributor though, not as a suspect, I want to make that very clear. Oh, that brand new body girl. Oh, that Canon wheel it swirls. Oh, that brand new body girl. Oh, that Canon wheel swirls. You know the one in the back? review your images in a more ergonomic way. Number one, value prop, Canon Corporate Inc. 1994 to now. Here we go. I didn't know what tempo that was going to come in at. I'm just freeballing it here. It's a little slow. It's okay. Dreaming of that 4K 60p, believing in articulating screens. Dreaming of that 4K 120, believe. That's a bit crazy, right? 4K 120? Oh, I picked the wrong song. We're going from Skrillex to something I've never heard before, but it should mix harmonically correctly. Disco. Take me out tonight, R5. Show me that. Hi, so. Nightscapes. Street scenes. Super high megapixels, probably. I don't really know what to do with this. I didn't have a bullet point for. I used this for another video a little while ago. That's enough of that. Now we are driving around at night together in a Lexus commercial in the late 90s. Brick roads in Manhattan. Doing both things with one hand. Getting better at DJing. In those Lexus commercials, why is the road always just so wet? What is their budget for rain? And why do my films not have that level of rain budget? Now, that high dynamic range of reflective surfaces on the ground might be a problem for some cameras. Will it be a problem for the R5? I have no idea. So I haven't shot one yet. I said Lexus, but an R5, RS5 is an Audi. We're probably too far in to re-record this. The proper reference. It's just one take here in front of the awesome green screen. All right, we're gonna wind it down here. Got one more song. Remember that this is not the end. It is only the beginning. But it is, in fact, where I leave you. Closing thoughts. Coming up next. We'll add a Manny Ortiz sample while I do this.
Canon R5.
Fix it in post.
The new standard.
Shout out Manny. Thank you for joining me. R.I.P. Nate Dogg. Mac Miller. Easy E. R.I.P. Joe Rogan. Whoa, Kenny! This might be too slow. Let's see. Gotta end it with something. Okay, right here. Ready for it? Yeah, Canon R5. Fix it in post. Fix it in firmware. Just get it out the door. Don't need this anymore. Canon R5 got me so shook up. Canon R5 got me so shook up. Canon R5 got me so shook up. Canon R5 got me so shook. Do I stay with Nikon? Canon? Sony? Olympus? Olympus is underrated. Got no money, but I still want the R5. Got no money, but I still want the R5. Got no money, but I still want the R5. Got no money, but I still want the R5. All right. Loop that out. Little fade to gray. Right? That's all. Could have been anywhere in the world. Today. You chose to spend it here with me. For that, I thank you. What else? A question.